Hello friends, today I am going to solve a problem with the help of Molière chart. So here I am take a problem. So a steam turbine develop 184 kilowatt with a consumption of 16.45 kg per kilowatt per hour, and also given pressure at steam entering at the nozzle is 11.8 bar and temperature 220 degrees Celsius, and the steam leaves the nozzle at 1.8 bar and diameter of the nozzle at the throat is 7 millimeter. Find the number of nozzles. If 8% of total enthalpy drop is lost in a friction in diverging part of the nozzle, determine the diameter of exit of the nozzle and exit velocity of the leaving steam. So here is talking about a converging diverging nozzle. So that one P1 is given is 11.8 bar and temperature also given 220 degrees Celsius, and P3 is also given at exit point 1.18 bar, and that is the throat diameter where is a converging diverging nozzle where the minimum diameter is present. So that is your throat diameter are given is 7 millimeter. So using this formula I can find steam pressure at the throat. P2 is equal to 0.545 into P1. So you can find finally 6.43 bar. So how this come? This is the basic formula of this P2 by P1 is equal to 2 by n plus 1 whole power n by n plus 1. And here n is a polytropic index. This value is 1.3 is not given in problem. Then you can take by self 1.3. So use this you can find 0.545. So finally find the value of P2 is 6.43 bar. So in problem is given steam is entering at nozzle and expand isentropically. That means entropy at point 2 and 3 is remains constant. So here is so here you can see here the diagram, and this one is first initial point where pressure 11.8 bar and temperature 220 degrees Celsius. In Molière diagram pressure line like that and temperature line like that and enthalpy line draw a straight from like horizontal line. So here you can meet 11.8 bar pressure and 220 degrees Celsius. This is our point 1. So at that point you can find out using the Molière chart enthalpy is 28 point sorry 28 2805 sorry 2857 kilojoule per kg, and at point where the pressure is 6 is expand isentropically, so he's cut at pressure line 6.43 bar. At that point you can find the enthalpy of this 27.49, and finally at pressure at exit point of nozzle is 1.18 bar. So you can also find he expand isentropically, and where the point pressure 1.8 bar is cut, that point is our point 3. So you can find H3 is also, and here also you can find a specific enthalpy V2. That means you can find using the Molière chart 0.3 meter cube per kg. So now I'm so you can find H3 by using the graph is 8% is drop. So you can find H3 is 2491.7, and steam flow at you can write M is 1 mass flow rate you can given 184 power develop into 16.45 and divide by 3600. That means you can find in kg per second. This is value. So also you can find velocity at throat is C2 is this one. Yeah, you can also find using 2 Cp T1 minus T2. P2 is given because isentropic process. So P2 is you can write T T2 by T1 equal to P2 sorry T1 T2 by T1 equal to P2 by P1 whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. You can also find here T1 is given, P2 given, P3 you know, sorry, P1 you know, and this value is 1.4, so you can find P2. So using this formula you can also find and C2. So C2 you can find C2 equal to 2 H1 minus H2. So H1 you can also find using the Mollier chart, and H2 also find using the Mollier chart. So put this value, you can find C2. C2 is 464.7 meter per second and mass flow rate is 0.8407 kg per second. And put this value in this final equation, you can find in that is number of nozzles. So number of nozzle is find 14.04. That means you can say 14 nozzles. That is your first part solved in here. At velocity as exit you can also find using C3 is also that one is H1 minus H3. So you can find finally 854.5 and mass flow rate is given. A3 don't know, C3 we know, N is no, V3 is also found by using the Mollier chart, and then find the diameter of this exit point is 11.2 mm. That means millimeter. So you can finally you can find this diameter is exit point of nozzle is 11.2 mm. Thank you for watching this video.